Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this pink and purple look using the James Charles and Morphe palette. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. I'm going to start by priming my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Porcelain Beige. Starting with Skip, this hot pink shade down here in the corner on a Luxie 209 large shader brush. I'm going to start by pressing this onto outside of my crease, I guess. And then once I have the amount of pigment I want, I'm going to blend that out using the same brush without any extra product. I'm going to add just a little bit more pigment to the inner corner because we want the same amount of pigment from the inner all the way to the outer corner since we're doing a halo look today. Now I'm going to take the shade Escape, this dark purple, on a collab crease brush and concentrate this shade on the crease. First start by stamping the pigment onto the eye like always. And then I'm going to go back in with the same Luxie shader brush and use that and the pigment that's left on it to blend the purple and the pink together. So now that the purple is blended into the pink, I have lost quite a bit of the purple pigment, so I'm just going to add a little bit more purple using that same crease brush as before. And this time I'm also going to blend while adding it instead of just stamping it on with this brush. And now I'm going to go back in with that same initial brush and take a little bit more pink to just brighten that pink back up because we kind of lost some of it while blending out the purple. So just very lightly brighten up the pink and make sure to blend that back out. Now I'm going to go back in with that purple shade and bring it onto the inner and outer corner. And then blend it inwards, and it's okay if the eyelid gets messy because we are going to clean that up with concealer. And now I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape and a flat concealer brush and then use that to cut the halo. Now taking a Luxie 245 small shader brush, I'm going to dip into Playground, this more bright blue matte shade, and use that to set the concealer in the center. And I forgot to tap that off, so now I have eyeshadow all over my face. I'm also going to put it on the tip of the brush to make sure that I get that blue pigment all the way packed on to the top of the concealer too, to really define where I cut the eye. Now I'm going to go back in with that same crease brush I've been working with and the purple and blend the edges of the concealer back into the purple and to kind of blend the purple and the blue together. Now I'm going back in with the small shader brush to really blend the two together. Taking the same brush, I'm going to pack this sparkly blue shade Sister onto the matte blue. And now I'm going to dip into Artistry, this duochrome purple shade and then pack that on next to the shimmery blue and kind of blend it onto the blue and a little bit of the matte purple, just to make everything a little bit more seamless. For the lower lash line, I'm going to first go in with Escape, that purple shade, and keep it extremely tight along the lower lash line. And make sure to connect them, the upper and lower shades, and blend together on the side. And then I'm going to go in with Skip, that hot pink shade, and blend right below the purple. Once again, making sure to connect them on the edge here. Now I'm going back in with Playground, the matte blue, on the tip of that shader brush, and I'm just going to gently apply it to my lower waterline without getting it in my eye. If you have a blue eyeliner in the same shade, that would be a lot more ideal, because this definitely is not meant to go in the eye. Now I'm going to quickly pop on mascara and lashes off camera. For anyone wondering, I'm wearing House of Lashes in the style Siren. Lastly, I'm going to highlight using the Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics in the shade Bellissima. And I think that a pinky highlight is what really pulls this look all together. So any pink highlight you have will do. And that is it for this look. Be sure to let me know in the comments what you think of this look, and if you liked it, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!